Today I am going to review the Morphe Remedies castor oil, which is cold pressed oil, and it claims that it is pure cold pressed oil, and the MRP is $2.99, but there was an offer going on Amazon, so I got it for around $240 or $250 something. So today we are going to review this Morphe Remedies castor oil, that too a pure cold pressed oil. It claims that it is a pure natural oil, cold pressed oil, and it says that it's for all hair types, and it is air rejuvenators, and it softens the skin, and it can be applied on the body as well as on the face hairs also. It claims that it is good for body massage also, and there is no paraben, there is no mineral oil, there is no sulfate, silicone, additional colors or artificial colors or any fragrance. It is a pure cold pressed oil about, and it's a 200 ml package, and it claims that it is a herbal oil, and it just consists of castor oil that is 100% pure. And it says that castor oil is one of the most ancient beauty oil, recognized for its emollient benefits and healing properties, and commonly used in cosmetic soaps and do it yourself remedies. So castor oil versatility makes for a perfect addition to your daily skin and hair regime. So it claims that it's good for skin, where you can use it on the chapped lips, dry skin, or a whole body treatment. And it also says that it gives a hair shiny look, and it conditions your hair and promotes the hair growth. And it can also be used as a face cleanser, and it can also be used for eyelashes and nail cuticles, so that they grow bit faster and will be nourished and healthy. And it can also reduce the stretch marks, and it is good for massaging, and it can also be used for belly button also. So there are some how to use recommendation, indication, storage, caution, and it says that it should be kept in cold and dry place. So now we shall unbox this castor oil, cold pressed castor oil. As you can see, this is the bottle of the castor oil, Morphe Remedy castor oil. Same, the content which has been written in the box is written here also, same thing. So now we shall see the bottle. So it has a lock, so if we twist this side, the pump starts. So it's safe and leak proof too, and also travel friendly. You can see it is a good consistency, not too thick or not too thin, and it's good. It can be applied on the skin, and it's user friendly also, and it is travel friendly also, and it is good for your body, face, eyelashes. So I would say that it's a very good castor oil. So go ahead and purchase it. This we can conclude that it's a very good castor oil. Go ahead and buy this. Thank you.